Association of Muslims in Universities and Colleges in Kenya, Amuck, successfully held its inaugural Sisters Conference in Nairobi, drawing Muslim sisters from universities and colleges across the country for a day of empowerment.
Your presence, your rest, and your joy, all that matters to you and to everyone around you. So take care of yourself and don't escape from other people. Shop for other people with light, but not from an exhausted place. Because the world needs more hearts that are filled more than the empty ones. So just be soft, full of trust, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with you.
Creating a platform for you sisters to discuss your issues. Because many times you come to an event, inakuwa ni watu wote, and along the way, kuna issues ama kwamba directly inawa affect nyinyi ama kwamba sometimes mnatoka kwa event na haijaweza kuwa addressed. So organizing such a platform for us, tunasema this is the step, the right step, and inshallah pole pole tuendelee, at least hata kama itakuwa ni yearly event, for us as advisors we will always support.
Held under the theme, The Role of Women in the Muslim Community, the conference featured a range of discussions, including the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Gaza, mental health awareness, financial literacy, and the importance of unity among Muslim communities.
When it comes to Gaza, definitely it didn't start 7th October. It was beyond that, more than 70 years. But the question is, what have you done since October 7th? The same oppressor who is oppressing people in different platforms, tomorrow will have interest in our lands. And because we did not stop them, that oppression will come to us.
A major highlight of the event was the passionate call to action regarding the situation in Gaza.
Some of us just woke up yesterday, 7th October, and we're like, oh, is it Hamas? Who caused this? Who caused that? It's not about Hamas or what. Let's dig into the books, because I believe we have people here of intellect, people who read. Let's go to these books and read the history of Palestine and how this war started. And you will know who's the oppressor and who's oppressed, and take your stand.
Nabila Ibrahim, Program Director of Family Pledge at the Global Women's Coalition for Quds and Palestine, while speaking at the conference, urged the students to stand in solidarity with Palestinians by raising awareness and boycotting products and companies known to support the Israeli occupation.
Boycott is not a choice Islamically when it comes to people who are fighting you for the sake of your own religion, people who are fighting you to eradicate your existence. How do I have relations with them? I buy from them. I support their products. I do business with them. I have relations with them. And yet they're the ones causing oppression. God tells you, do not have any ties with the oppressor. Because if you do, you're part of this genocide. You're financing them through their businesses and economies as they continue to bomb the children, the women in Gaza. So let's educate ourselves.
Beyond global issues, the conference also focused on personal development and well-being. Mental health experts addressed the growing concerns of anxiety, depression, and stress among young women. In addition, financial literacy talk provided practical tools for budgeting, saving, and investing, especially tailored for students and young professionals.
That student ID, don't be shy to ask when you go to places, do you have a student discount? You may find they do, just that they don't announce it, and you can save something in there, yes? Your ability to do more cooking and less buying outside will really save you money, because it can give you economies of scale from you being able to buy in bulk and cook. I am busy, true, cook over the weekend. You know, you can manage. There are hacks. We also studied and we did a number of things to manage our budget. But my advice to you is, remember, the person selling you food outside has to make their money. Unless you're going to charge yourself a profit for cooking, you are going to save money by reducing some of that. At the same time, avoid impulse buying. And part of avoiding impulse buying, avoid shopping when you're hungry. Have you ever tried to shop when you're hungry? Everything looks like a need, everything. The biscuits, in fact, it is critical today that I eat these biscuits. and the cake, and everything becomes a need.
This was Amuck's first ever Sisters Conference aimed at ensuring the Muslim sisters connect, reflect, and grow together in faith and purpose.